There are countless number of people who deal with hypertension and high cholesterol levels. Hypertension or high blood pressure can increase the risk of various health issues, including stroke, heart attack, diabetes, heart failure, vision loss or metabolic syndrome. If you're suffering from elevated cholesterol levels and high blood pressure, we recommend you try this Amish recipe, which has been used for centuries in the treatment of a long list of diseases. This powerful mixture will boost your immunity and lower your cholesterol and high blood pressure better than any prescription drug. The best part about it is that everyone can make it at home. The preparation couldn't be simpler. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove, grated, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 piece of ginger, grated, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon organic honey. Just mix all the above-mentioned ingredients well and store the mixture in the fridge for 5 days. Afterwards you can start the treatment. Take the mixture 2 times a day, before breakfast and dinner, and just after a week you'll feel significant improvement. A simple blood test will show that your cholesterol levels have been reduced. The remedy will also normalize your blood pressure. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.